Hello everybody, so today I want to quickly look at how to use selections with procedural nodes. This is very different to what I've showed you in previous lessons where we use the edit node. Some nodes you can't use with edit nodes such as extrude and bevel and various other things too. So today I want to just look at using the bevel node with this. So let me say, for example, I just go and add myself a bevel node. And okay, I've added that, looking good, and I add my bevel. Now notice here though how it affects the whole thing. It doesn't just affect a certain part of it, and the reason is that I of course need to select which parts to use. So let me first of all remove this. I'm going to remove the bevel, and I will do what I did before, and I'm just going to select my select tool, edges, I think, and then I will select the edges that I want to use. Let me go into wireframe, delete these ones. Okay, so I just want to make the bevel affect this here. So what am I going to do? Okay, I'm going to go into my bevel node. Oops, let me create that here. Notice here where my cursor is, it's over the network editor. And so I'm bringing up my tab menu over the network editor and I'm putting in bevel. All right, good. I add this, I add it, and still not doing the bit I want. It's beveling everything. That's not what I wanted. Okay, so how can I do this? How can I make it just affect the top edges there? And the way to do it is here I've got this group. Now I need to put in the correct edges in order to, or rather populate this with the points. Remember, the points on either side will create the edge. It's a little complex, but anyway, never mind that for now. I'll show you how to do this manually, and it'll be real quick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this little arrow here instead. So I'll select this. I select the edges that I want. So all I'm doing there is hitting Control and removing some of them. And then what I need to do is just hover over the viewport and hit Enter or Return on my key. And you'll certainly see that this group is now fixed with point 6 to 7, 2 to 3, etc. Right? Now when I add my bevel, put some bevel there, I can see it's only affecting the top here. Okay, and I can add whatever I want set here in my bevel. There is actually a lesson on how to use the bevel node in previously. But anyway, I can do it that way. And it's a little cumbersome though. Like, for example, I've got to create my bevel node. I have to attach it. I then have to click on this. I have to select my edges. I then have to hit Enter. It all pops up here. Whoa, it's quite a lot to go on, right? Just to select the bit that I want. There is an easier way to do it, so let's show you how to do that. I'm going to remove my bevel. I'm now back to where I started. Again, I'm going to select my edges. There we go. And this time, instead of holding my cursor over the network editor and using the tab menu, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold over the viewport, hit the tab menu here. And I'm going to select my bevel, okay, and look what happens. It automatically connects this bevel node and it populates it with the edges that I wanted. I can now create my distance and it's there. It's very quick this way if I do it in my viewport. Now there are different reasons why you may want to do it one way or the other. I just wanted to show you that both of them are an option. I hope this helps. And you guys have a great day.